film it, quick, film it, film it. What's he trying to do? Trying to get off? He's trying to get off. He's getting on, he's got off. Oh my god. Oh, crashing someone else?
No.
Oh, get that on camera. No way. No. Is it in a white? Is it a white van? Yeah, he just crashed into two people. A white van, isn't it?
Yeah, man, he just got into another one.
Yeah, he crashed.
I think someone's hurt, bro.
Yo, he's fucked.
Oh my
Get in
god.
this, yeah. Get in this. He's fucked up. Oh, he's just crashed into three people. I've got it fully on video.
The video.
Everything.
Please wait. I need to.
Is that your car? Yeah.
This is car. I work in Jack, but
Mate, where is the geezer? Is he fucked off?
he ran away.
Yeah, he must. Yeah.
I'm gonna call the police.
Yeah, I've got it on. I got it all on video for you, mate. What happened, man?
Yeah.
Oh, he's fucked up, he is.
Yeah.
Oh, he's fucked.
Go! Looked straight at me and still pulled out.
guy went right through a red light. Right through a red light. Should I be a witness? Oh my God.
The guy that
I have it on my camera.
He went on this. Oh no. This one.
Oh, wow. That guy went right through a red light.
Went through.
Oh, I thought it was the person going straight. The red, oh. I thought it was the
Yeah, he fucked up. Yeah, he broke the fucking axle and everything.
That sucks.